Hi, I hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a look at a few Forex pairs here. In the premium Forex newsletter, we went long the AUD USD right in here, right on this bulls and bears buy signal. And then it's moved our way, so I'll be bringing the stop up to break even pretty soon. I could already, but I just haven't done it yet. And I'm just making sure it gets far enough away to where we definitely won't get stopped out. And then this one looks like it's heading higher. The KST, oh, this is MACD, sorry. KST is another indicator I look at. It's just about like the MACD. The MACD shows the momentum's going up, and the bulls and bears system with TNT software is on a buy signal, and the bars are green. So it looks like higher prices for the AUD USD, and we're ahead on that one. We'll look at the EUR USD, and that one just put in a buy signal yesterday. Now these bars are all yellow right now on the current day because it's live data. So this bar is actually probably going to be green when the day closes here today. They color the bar on the end of day data. So EUR USD just put in a buy signal, and I would go long on that buy signal, but in the premium Forex newsletter. But the thing is, we're long two pairs already, and if the dollar were to turn or something, then they'd all go bad. So there's no sense in getting in too many trades. As soon as I get those, the ones we're long to break even, both of them, then I'll be adding another trade. Like I'll be watching this. We might go long on a little pullback or something. The GBP USD we got long way back here on about September 3rd. That's moved sharply our way. I got the stop at break even. Again, I'm gonna probably wait for a little pullback, and then I might even add a contract here on this one. See if you can see that we went long on this bar here, and the momentum's up, so everything looks good for the GBP USD heading higher. Now the USD CAD, that's broken lower. That's on a bulls and bears sell. That went on a sell right on this bar. The momentum's down, and everything looks like lower prices ahead for the USD CAD. So again, what I'll do is I'll probably go long on short on a pullback. See what's going on is it just broke this support level here, and usually when they break support, they'll come back and test. This looks like a bullish day, but chances are that's just a little test. But again, you never know. This could be making a bottom. I don't think so right now, but that's why I don't get too many pairs going at once, because if you get all the pairs going and then you're wrong, all the trades turn out bad. So I just do a trade or two and then I add to them as if the market goes our way. So again, we could be short the USD CAD from back here, but I was long the GBP USD, so I'm just going with that trade. And since I moved the stop up to break even on the GBP USD, we went long the AUD USD, and then as soon as I get a little farther ahead on that trade, then we'll be adding another trade. Because once these markets move, we can add a trade on the pullbacks. So it's not like you have to hit the exact first bar. Like this isn't a good example because this didn't continue going. But say if we got a buy signal here on the USD CAD. Well, let's go back here. Let's look at this first. Okay, USD CHF. This hasn't even put in a sell signal yet. So this is one I can go short, and it will be on a fresh bulls and bears sell signal if this keeps going lower. So this is one I'll be looking at for tonight and maybe tomorrow night's premium newsletter. But here's what I wanted to show you about this, how you can go along. See, this put in a buy signal way back here, and we were in another pair at the time, so I didn't go long on that buy signal. I try not to overdo it with the trades because that can get you in a lot of trouble. I mean, you can't go long everything all the time. And so what I did with this one was then we had gotten out of one of those other pairs and taken a profit on it or whatever, or break even probably, because I haven't had too many losses lately in the Premium Forex newsletter. It's been all break evens or profits pretty much. There's been like one really small loss, I think. So when this pulled back here, you can see the pullback, and then when it took off again, then that's when I went long. So we can get long on pullbacks. So that's another good reason not to get in too much at once, because there's always going to be another trade out there. So that's it for the commentary today. I hope you enjoy it, and please consider the premium Forex newsletter. I use this software to get along the trades, these bulls and bears signals, and I also use just my own technical analysis. Some things I've developed, some systems. I kind of combine the two. So the newsletter is $99 a year. If you buy that newsletter at $99 a year, you lock in that price for as long as you want to take the newsletter. It's a really a great price. A lot of these newsletters are $99 a month. Mine's $99 a year, and I think you'll like the trades. I really do. So thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim.